Okay, what we need to consider is somebody that goes to conference and they get a room through the block of rooms provided, and that's called, I think, ROB. Or they, no, I'm told you wrong. Other reserve room outside the block. Outside the block is ROB. And ROHH, some attendees reserve rooms outside the host hotel. Okay. So we're trying to figure out, of these three, Asia West, Bard Inn, and Hilton, if they lose money or not. And the other thing we need to know is the conference organizers for 25%. Soon the host hotel receives a reimbursement from the conference for 25% of the block rate per night for each unoccupied room in the conference block. All right. So you got that big long table. The only thing we really need to worry about are those three hotels that are listed. So let's look at Asia West. Asia West CDAs or sponsor or something, but it's $190 for block rate, or $185 lowest rate in the hotel. So if I think about ROB, reserve rooms outside the block, for that Asia hotel, that's $185. It's a 2-night minimum times 2. That's $370, and that's a room out of block. All right, so the hotel itself is losing $10 per night, right? No, $10 per 2-night stay because there's a $5 difference. It was Asia $190 and $185. So losing $10 for a 2-night stay per 2-night. All right, so you got this room that they booked out of the block. So the Asia Hotel is going to receive 25% of 380, and that 380 comes from 190 times 2. So they're going to receive back $95. So they're not losing money. They lost that $10, but they're getting the 25% back, so they're a big fat no. All right, look at Bard. Bard Inn, let's do the very same thing. Bard Inn, if I look at Bard, oh, it's the same thing no matter what, so just skip them, so they're not losing money. And now let's look at the Hilton. So the Hilton, seems like there's several Hiltons. FFNA, PPOA, and I just took the very first one. Hilton. All right. So let's do the same thing. That's $70 times 2, because the Hilton out of block, it's $70. So that's $140. And that's out of block. So they are losing how much? It's a difference of $70 between in block and out of block. So they're losing $140 for a 2-night stay. All right. And then, but they receive 25% of 140 times 2, which is 280. So they're receiving back $95. No, what am I saying? I'm looking at the wrong numbers. That's right. 25% of 280, and that's $70. So this guy is losing. So yes.